Hi friends, I'm Anna Helman. Do you ever have a stamp that doesn't stamp just quite right? A lot of times this happens with greeting stamps when you're stamping with an acrylic block, not using a stamp positioner, and it just doesn't stamp quite right. Sometimes there's a quick and easy way to fix it, so let me show that to you now. Here are two cards I've made here in the last few days that my greetings did not stamp perfectly on either one of them. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see or not, but on the word of, this one didn't stamp perfectly. And then if I bring this one up closer, here on the letter K, it didn't stamp quite right. So this does not always work. It depends on how much or how little didn't get stamped. But what I find works a lot of times is just to bring in my marker, go over that spot. I like to use the fine tip part of this marker because we do have the brush tip and the fine tip. Go right over that, and for the most part, this fixes it. And you cannot even tell that they had not been stamped properly in the first place. So bring them up closer again, see if you can tell a difference. I love to use my markers to fix problems like this and in a lot of other ways as well. So if you are interested in these, this was a really fun card I made with the Conversation Bubbles stamp set. This is a card I made here not too long ago talking about using your nesting dies for fun techniques such as this one where you pop up different layers. And this is actually part of a set you can get free right now, this paper pack during a celebration. So I'm going to put some links in the video description below to learn more about markers, these projects, free stuff during a celebration. You can take a look at those if you are interested. If you like card making tips and tricks, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, you can go to my channel and my tips and tricks playlist is right there at the top and you can take a look. So thanks so much for being here. Hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.